Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we discussed with the Taylor's, time rate system, piece rate system, and premium or incentive scheme or the premium bonus system. Where time rate system is subdivided into three. That is, one is ordinary rate level, another one is the rate at which the higher efficiency level to be attained, and the third is differential time rate system. Like the same case in the piece rate system also, there is what all three is to be, and mainly that is ordinary rate or the standard time rate, then the standard piece rate, then the standard piece rate with the at a higher is that higher time rate is to be allotted, and also the third one is the differential piece rate system. Out of the differential piece rate system, it is subdivided into Taylor's differential piece rate system, Merrick's differential piece rate system, and Gantt task and bonus plan. Yesterday, we discussed after that the premium bonus system or the incentive scheme, where along with the salary or the wages, a bonus is to be given in accordance with the level of work completed or the output finished or accomplished. So, under the premium bonus system, three methods are there. One is the Halsey premium plan, another one is the Halsey-Weir premium plan, and one more is there, the Rowan plan. Yesterday we see the Halsey premium plan. So today we are going to see the Halsey-Weir premium plan and the Rowan plan. So here the Halsey-Weir premium bonus system. Next year, Halsey premium plan we see time rated plus or time taken into the rate plus time saved into the rate, half of the time saved into the rate, isn't it? So here the time saved will be standard time minus the actual time taken. So there are some saving of the time in the sense means we produced more at the earliest stage, isn't it? ഒരു particular സമയത്തിന് ഉള്ളിൽ തീർക്കേണ്ടതായിരുന്നു, അതിന് മുമ്പേ തീർത്തു. അപ്പൊ there should be 10 മണിക്കൂറിന് തീരേണ്ടത് 8 മണിക്കൂറിന് തീരണമെങ്കിൽ there should be a 2 hours time as saved. അപ്പൊ ആ സേവ് ചെയ്ത ടൈമിന്റെ പകുതി ബോണസ് ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. അതാണ് ഹാൾസേ പ്രീമിയം പ്ലാൻ. ഇനി Halsey-Weir പ്രീമിയം പ്ലാൻ എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കാം. സോ Halsey-Weir പ്രീമിയം പ്ലാൻ ഈ ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കിലെ ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിരിക്കേണ്ട പ്രോബ്ലം വരാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉള്ള ടോപ്പിക് ഏതാണ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് Taylor's differential piece rate system, Merrick's differential piece rate system, Gantt task and bonus plan. അതിലെ ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് Taylor's and Merrick's ആണ്. So we will see Halsey-Weir premium bonus system. Halsey-Weir premium bonus system is an incentive scheme system of wage payment under which workers are paid for the hours worked at the standard rates as wages. അതാണ് പറയുന്നത്, wages കൊടുക്കുന്നു as the standard rate, and also plus 30% of the wages of the time saved as bonus. മറ്റേതിനകത്തോ 50% ആയിരുന്നു, അതായത് ഹാഫ്. ഇൻ വിച്ച് വൺ? Halsey പ്രീമിയം പ്ലാൻ. ഇനി Halsey-Weir പ്രീമിയം പ്ലാനിനകത്ത് ബാക്കി എല്ലാം സെയിം തന്നെ. Time taken into time rate, the time taken into rate. മറ്റേ ഫോർമുല എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു? Time taken into rate plus 1/2 of or 50% of time saved into rate, isn't it? Or 50%. Here, time taken into rate plus 30% of time saved into rate. Only that. So that is the difference between Halsey premium plan and Halsey-Weir premium plan. So it's an incentive system of wage payment under which workers are paid for the hours worked at the standard rates as wages and 30% of the wages of the time saved as bonus. It is a variant of the, or it's a modification of the Halsey premium plan. Under the system, the worker is paid for the actual time taken by him to complete the work and a bonus of 30% of time saved. അതാണ് 30% സമയം സേവ് ചെയ്തതിന്റെ 30% കണ്ട വേജസിന്റെ കൂടെ അവർക്ക് ബോണസ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു എമൗണ്ട് കിട്ടും. Calculate the earnings of a worker under Halsey where screen there. Bonus is 30% of the time saved. Time allowed 48 hours. Time taken 36 hours. Rate per hour is 10. So time taken is how much? 48. Time allowed is 48. So standard time is 48. Time taken is how much? 36 hours. So take the difference between that. Then rate per hour is 10. So how it is to be? Time taken is 36, isn't it? So 36 into 10, isn't it? Plus 30% of time saved. 30% of time saved. 48 minus 36, 12. So 12 into 10, isn't it? Rate is 10. 36 is the time taken. Standard time allowed is 48. 48 minus 36, 12. So 300 plus 30% of 120. So 300 plus 36, 336 is the earnings, isn't it? 300. Oh, sorry, 360. So 360 plus 36, 396 is the which one? 396 is the earnings received. Only that 30% മറ്റേതിനകത്ത് Halsey premium plan 50% ആയിരുന്നു. ബാക്കി എല്ലാം സെയിം. Time taken into rate plus 50% of the time saved into rate. That is Halsey premium plan. Halsey weir premium plan, instead of 50%, 30% as bonus. Okay, the rest all same. Time taken into rate plus 30% of time saved into rate. That is the Halsey weir premium plan. Next is Rowan plan or Rowan system. എന്താണ് Rowan system എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കാം. Rowan system. Under the system, the worker gets an hourly rate for the actual time taken by him to complete the job. So, worker gets an hourly rate for the actual time taken. യഥാർത്ഥമായിട്ട് എടുത്ത സമയം അതിന് hourly rate കിട്ടുന്നു to complete the job. In addition, he gets the bonus if he completes the work before the standard time. Allowed ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്തിന് മുമ്പ് വർക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ he will get a bonus also. And also actual ടൈമിന് വർക്ക് ചെയ്തതാണെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഏത് hourly rate ആണോ അത് വെച്ച് അവർക്ക് കൊടുക്കും. So the bonus payable is that proportion of the wages of the time taken which the time saved prior to the standard time allowed. So ഇവിടെ ബോണസ് എങ്ങനെ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ബോണസ് is equal to time saved divided by the standard time into rate. Actual time into rate. So time taken into rate plus time saved into time taken plus rate divided by standard time. Therefore, E is equal to T into R plus TS into T into R by S. That is the formula for calculating Rowan system. So advantages are assures the minimum time wages, higher bonus at higher level, benefits to the employees, and protection to the employees. Just you need to read this one. Okay. Then disadvantages are difficult to understand and calculate, efficient beyond a certain point is not rewarded. This system is more complex and expensive, difficult to fix the standard time, and the sharing principle is not generally welcomed by the employees. So this is the case with regard to Rowan plan. Then difference between a Halsey plan and a Rowan plan. Bonus based on the bonus. Under Halsey plan, difference between ഈ Halsey weir അത്ര important അല്ല, പകരം Rowan കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആണ്. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഈ പീസ് റേറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റത്തിനകത്തെ ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ പീസ് റേറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം അതാണ്. So Halsey plan and Rowan plan, what are the differences? Bonus. Under Halsey plan, bonus is 50% of the wages of time saved, isn't it? Halsey weir alla, Halsey 50%. It is that proportion of the wages of the time taken and the time saved to the standard time. Standard time വെച്ച് നോക്കിയാൽ എന്തുമാത്രം സമയം സേവ് ചെയ്തു, എന്തുമാത്രം സമയം എടുത്തു, അതിന്റെ proportion, the ratio of the wages Okay, with regard to the time spent or the time taken and the time saved to the standard time. Then sharing of gains. Gains of efficiency are shared by employer and employee equally. Okay, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് 50% of the time saved that is taken as bonus plus the actual time taken that is to be multiplied with the rate. That is the Halsey plan. While gains of time saved are divided between employer and employee but not equally. ഇവിടെ equally ആണ് മറ്റേത് not equally. Then increase in bonus. Bonus increases steadily with the rise in efficiency. കാര്യക്ഷമത കൂടുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് bonus also to be increased because how much time is saved based on the time saved 50% is to be given as wages, bonus along with the wages paid and for the actual time taken. While in the next case, Rowan, bonus increases rapidly up to saving of 50% of standard time and then declines, affecting labor cost. Labor cost decrease steadily with the improvement in efficiency. Cost കുറയുന്നു എപ്പോ എഫിഷ്യൻസി കൂടുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കാര്യക്ഷമമാക്കുന്നു ആൾക്കാരുടെ പണികൾ. കാരണം അവർക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടുന്നു? ബോണസ് 50%, അത് നല്ലൊരു എമൗണ്ടുമാണ്. ടൈം സേവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് 50% ബോണസ് കിട്ടും അതിന്റെ plus the wages. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് കിട്ടുന്നു? Labor cost will be reduced to the minimum as the efficiency will be more productive. Okay, then labor cost decline at a faster rate up to saving half of the time. So labor cost declines at a faster rate so that up to the saving of the half the time. So these are the differences between a Halsey plan and a Rowan plan. So you need to study this and the problems with regard to piece rate system as well as the time rate system. So we see the time rate system, the piece rate system, the premium bonus system. Next is group bonus scheme. Group bonus scheme is a system in which bonus is calculated on the based on the collective production of a group of workers and is distributed among the individual members of the group on some agreed basis. അവരുമായിട്ട് എഗ്രി ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ടേംസിൽ അവർക്ക് എന്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നു? ബോണസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നു based on collective production. അതാണ് അതിനകത്തെ ഒരു മെയിൻ. So based on the basis of the collective production of a group of workers and should be distributed among individual members of the group on some agreed basis. This system can be conveniently applied in construction industries, maintenance and repair works, etc. The bonus may be shared in any agreed proportion between the workers also. The basis of distribution of group bonuses, equal proportion, or on the basis of time wages of individual workers, or on the basis of specified percentages agreed upon considering the skill, experience, efficiency, leadership quality, etc. of the workers. So for giving the group bonus scheme, this need to consider what all equal proportion need to be the workers, collective production. ഒന്നിച്ച് ഇത്രയും പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ നടക്കണം എന്നാലേ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? A group bonus scheme to be implemented. Then on the basis of the time wages of the individual workers and also on the basis of the specified percentages that are agreed upon considering the skill, the experience, the efficiency, the leadership quality, etc. of the workers. So that is the group bonus scheme. From the name itself, group, collective production among a group of workers, so that after achieving that it should be distributed among the individual members or the bonus. So that is the group bonus scheme. Another one is the co-partnership. It is one of the monetary incentive scheme under which the workers are given the opportunity to have a share in the capital, the profit and control of the business in which they are employed. So they are having control with regard to an opportunity to have a share in the capital, a profit also, and also the control of the business in which they are employed. So that is that co-partnership. Under that, the employees are invested to invest in the capital of the business and to reinvest the profit earned by them. So employees are invited to invest in the capital. അതായത് അവരുടെ കമ്പനിയിലെ ഒരു മെയിൻ ഷെയർ ഹോൾഡർ പോലെ. അതാണ് co-partnership. They are becoming a partner with regard to the organization. So employees are invited to invest in the capital of the business and to reinvest the profit earned by them. Reinvest the profit earned by them. Then employees may be offered the loans to enable them to purchase the shares of the company from the market. So employees may be offered the loans to enable them to purchase the shares of the company from the market, and employees may be allotted a block of shares which may be registered in their own name. അവരുടെ പേരിൽ ഷെയർ ഇടുന്നു. So this is the core partnership. അപ്പം time rate system, piece rate system, premium bonus scheme, then group bonus scheme, and also co-partnership. Next is profit sharing scheme. Profit sharing scheme is one of the monetary incentive scheme under which the workers are entitled to share the profits of the business at an agreed rate in addition to their wages. So, wages in the കൂടെ തന്നെ പ്രോഫിറ്റിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗം അവർക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നു എംപ്ലോയീസിന്. So in such a case, these all are the monetary things, isn't it? In addition to their wages. The scheme recognizes that every employee jointly and severally contribute towards the profit of the concern through their sincere effort. So that is the profit sharing scheme. So profit sharing scheme is one of the monetary incentive scheme under which the workers are entitled to share the profits of the business at an agreed rate in addition to their wages. അവരുടെ wages അവർക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന wagesന്റെ കൂടെ എന്തും കൂടെ കിട്ടുന്നു? They are getting a share of the profit of the business. So these are the fringe benefits, monetary benefits, not fringe, monetary benefits like the time rate system, the piece rate system, then the group bonus scheme, incentive scheme or the premium bonus system, then the co-partnership and the profit sharing scheme. While there are some non-monetary incentive schemes, that is the fringe benefit or non-monetary incentive. Fringe benefits are non-monetary benefits given to the employees over and above their gross wages, like fee, free or concessional medical facility, leave with pay and traveling concession or allowances, recreational facilities, subsidized or free food, housing facilities, traveling facilities to attend our long service hours also. അപ്പോൾ fringe benefits എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ non-monetary benefits ആണ്. അതായത് should not be having any amount of money, but along with the gross wages they are getting this benefit also, like recreational facility, food facility, educational facility, isn't it? Housing facility, like that. So that is the fringe benefit or monetary benefit. Then non-monetary benefit. Then payroll or wage sheet. Payroll is a periodic statement of the employees showing gross wages earned by each worker, deductions from the gross wages, and the net wages payable to the worker. So, payroll is gross wages less deductions, that advance that comes under deduction. So, the net wages. This is the payroll sheet, wage sheet or payroll sheet. A periodic statement of the employees showing their gross wages less the deductions and then the net wages. So there should be a separate department called payroll department for preparing the payroll of the employees. Then payroll accounting. Then just the terms are speed. Payroll accounting is that part of financial accounting which is concerned with the computation of gross wages and deduction from the gross wages with a view to ascertain the wages, net wages payable to each employee during a particular period. Like preparation of the payroll or wage sheet and the payroll slip and the pay slip at periodic intervals. അതായത് net wages calculate ചെയ്യുന്നതിനുള്ള ഒരു ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ആണ് payroll department, isn't it? അപ്പം അതിനുള്ള ഒരു ഷീറ്റ് ആണ് പേ ഷീറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് അതിനുള്ള അക്കൗണ്ടിങ് ടേമാണ് payroll accounting. Then pay slip എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? It is a statement prepared and issued to each worker showing the gross wages earned by him, deduction from his gross wages and the net wages payable. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ പേ സ്ലിപ്പിലുള്ളതാണ്. അതായത് ഗ്രോസ് വേജസ് ഇത്ര, അതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിഡക്ഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഡിഡക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് നെറ്റ് വേജസ്, ആ ഒരു ഇതാണ് പേ സ്ലിപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Then wages abstract. Wages abstract is an analysis of the wages paid to each worker during a particular period for different jobs or work orders. It helps to allocate direct wages to various jobs or processes and to apportion the indirect wages to different departments. Direct wages ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിരുന്നു direct material, direct expenses and direct labor together constitute prime cost. അപ്പം direct part ആദ്യവും indirect part different departmentsലും allocate ചെയ്തു കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ അത്. Then wage calculation. അത് just calculating the wages. So today we see almost all the main part with regard to the labor cost control. So what are its time rate system, piece rate system, incentive system, group bonus scheme, then co-partnership, and what is that profit sharing scheme, and also the non-monetary or fringe benefits, and some other terms like what is a payroll, what is the payroll accounting, what is a pay sheet or a pay slip, like that. So please have a look at today's topics and please clear if any doubts occurs. So and also please confirm whether you are seeing the video or not, and whether you are clear with each and every topic that I told also. So thank you for the day.